Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Crunch. Now in part of signal system, we are on lecture 8. We'll be studying about invertible, non-invertible, stable and unstable systems. Okay, so invertible system are the system those which satisfies one-to-many mapping. So we have one-to-one operation, that is if we have x1, it will only have one output, that is y1, y2 or y3. Any could be possible. Many to one will be there will be one input and there will be different outputs like y1 and y2. I hope this is clear from these diagrams. Let's look at some examples. If we have yt is equal to x square t, now we'll be making a table. For yt, that is t is equal to 0, we have x square t. So x square, since there is no operation on time, we'll be getting same values till 0 and 1. Now y of t, x square t. So we have, when we have 2, it will be 4. When we have minus 2, it will also be 4. So there will be many inputs for one output. So this is non-invertible signal. Then we have yt is equal to xt plus 2. Again putting the values. So we have invertible system. Then we have yt is equal to mod of xt, which will be giving all four values same. So it is non-invertible system. Yt is equal to sin t into xt. So by putting value 0, 1, 2, we won't get unbiased result. So we put delta t, that is which will give us 0. So 2 delta t will be 0. So this is non-invertible signal. Yt is equal to x of 2t. Again x of 2t can be written as u of 2t minus ut. So one-to-one mapping, it is invertible. Next, let's start with stable and unstable system. Stable system are the system which has, for every bounded input, we have bounded output, like sine of xt. We know that sine of xt is bounded as it will be ranging from -1 to 1. So whatever will be the value, it will be in this range, so it is bounded, that is stable. Another case can be if we have sine infinity, it is unbounded output, so it is unstable. Next, yt is equal to x tau d tau. For bounded, it is xt is equal to cos t. Case 1 will be if we have for minus infinity to t, so minus infinity to t, it has -1 to 1, so it is stable. Another case can be if we have a unit signal, that will give us ramp on integration, which will be unstable. Now xt by t, we know that xt is equal to 2, which is a DC, which is bounded. So 2 by t, which will give us unbounded, that is 2 by infinity, which is unbounded. Whereas d by dx of xt, that is one constant, which is stable. So this was all about this lecture. I hope it is very clear. If you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.